Hi everyone, today I'm gonna do another project of my 100 Python project challenge, and in this project I'm gonna do a rock paper implementation in Python. And first I will start by importing random module, and then I should create a list for my tools, which will include rock, paper, and sketches. Now I will create a menu with while menu using while true loop. I'm using while true because I need an infinite loop. Every time user choose something, I should ask again, and again. Now first I will create choose of computer. Computer choose equal random dot choice tools. Now what this part gonna do? It will choose randomly one of these tools and it will assign that tool to our computer choice. Then we will create a menu, and first we will say rack, second paper, and third, fourth will be our exit. Now if first I should print our menu, then I should take I should use this menu with if condition. If menu equal for, sorry, not for first I should write rack condition. Now if menu and computer choice equal to, for example, rack, then I will print computer choice rack and draw. Now if menu equal to 1 and computer choice equal to paper, then computer wins. Yep. Now another condition, and this will be the last condition. If menu is equal to 1 and computer choice is suspicious, then we will print computer choice suspicious and you win. Yep, that's it. Now I should write another conditions for paper and sketches, but I'm not gonna do this in video, so I will pause here, then we will continue when I write all conditions. And I have added all conditions and I saw I did make mistakes. First one of my mistakes was not using input here, I forgot it. Then I am getting input as a string by default because of Python, but for here I am writing an integer condition, so I should turn my menu input into an integer before using here, and I will do this with try except block because, for example, if users enter just a space or anything like that, I couldn't turn that thing into integer and I will get an error. And because of and so to don't see that error, I am using try except block here, and try except works like this. First, it tries to turn our menu into an integer, and if it's not working, and if my try condition is not working, then it comes to this except block and prints invalid choice, then continues. So my code works fine that way. And I add here another else condition, which, for example, users enters 5, which I can turn into an integer, but as you can see, I don't have if condition, elif condition for 5 here. So if user enter 5, I will come to this else block and print invalid choice. Let's test this code. For example, I will enter 1. As you can see, here it prints computer choice, which paper, and with paper, computer wins. Then I will choose, for example, paper, and computer choice kishes, and computer wins. Then I will choose kishes, and computer choose kishes too, so it's a draw. I will choose, for example, rock again, paper again, and computer choice rock, and I win. And I will enter 4 and exit. Now, what did we do in this code? Generally, we created, we imported random model from Python, then we created our tools list, then we created a menu with infinite while true loop, then we took one of our tools randomly and assigned it into a computer choice. We used random model to choose randomly choosing one of these tools. Then we created a menu. Then we added a try except block here to turn our menu variable string into integer. We created except condition and we printed invalid choice. Then we continue. We printed our menu, and here we created all possibilities. If user choose, for example, rack, and computer choose rack, we print row, and another conditions. I write all of them here, and if anything goes out of condition, we print invalid choice here. So that's it for this project. We will meet again in next project. See you later.